If you have a product that you're looking for and you've got different materials, mixed materials, at 3D Machine we are very, very good at coming up with different ways to machine that for you. Whether it be developing new tooling for it or just giving you different options of a way to cut that. My name is Tim Deno. I'm the owner of 3D Machine located in Goodland, Indiana. We're a CNC machine shop. We also do waterjet. We do assembly as well. This is an example of a part that's got high density polyethylene plastic in the middle, and it's got 80K steel on either side. Being able to cut both of those, you need the lubricity for the plastic, but you also need the toughness and the wear for the metal. We were able to develop a tool to be able to cut this. So we've got those capabilities that we think outside the box to get your product done for you. So we've got a 20-foot router. That's dual head. Now that's going to be used for mainly some plastics or light machining of aluminum. We've also have machined steel on that. We've machined plywood as well. So it's so we do get into some different projects, and so we machine 5/8 plywood by the truckload. This arrives to us in a 4x8 sheet, so we can go up to 20 feet on this. So we're cutting 2 parts at a time. One tool basically does the entire part and makes it very, very economical. Then we've also got a 6.5 foot by 13 foot water jet, so we can get in some large stuff, cutting an 8-inch thick steel. This is a typical part that's ran on a water jet. So this is 1-inch thick steel. With our water jet, we have dynamic heads. We can rotate the head so that the edge that the customer wants is nice and straight. So we do a lot of parts that you may not typically think you're going to water jet, but we're able to nest it, water jet it, and do most of the machining on just a regular CNC mill. But that does save the customer money. So we've got those capabilities that we think outside the box to get your product done for you. Whether you're looking for a custom part cut out of a 4x8 sheet or up to 8-inch thick steel on a water jet, come to 3D Machine. We can get it done for you.